Your BMW's automatic transmission costs between $4,000 and $7,000 to replace. And the frustrating part is that most of the damage happens slowly, from everyday driving habits that owners think are completely normal. The ZF 8-speed gearbox that BMW uses is genuinely world-class engineering. But that engineering has limits, and if you're making any of the mistakes on this list, you're chipping away at one of the most expensive components in your car without even knowing it. Today we're going through 10 things you should never do to your BMW's automatic transmission. Some of these will surprise you. And number 3, I'd bet money that most BMW owners are doing it right now, every single day. Let's get into it. Number 1. Never drive hard immediately from cold. When the temperature drops, your transmission fluid thickens. Transmission fluid is what keeps every internal component lubricated and hydraulically pressurized. When it's cold and viscous, it doesn't flow the way it needs to. BMW's ZF 8-speed has incredibly tight tolerances inside, fractions of a millimeter between clutch packs and valve body components. If you jump in on a cold morning and immediately accelerate hard, force early gear changes, or demand full performance, you're stressing those components before the fluid has reached its operating temperature. What to do instead? Let the engine settle for a moment, then drive gently for the first few minutes. BMW specialists consistently recommend gentle driving over stationary idling. The transmission fluid warms up much faster when the car is moving slowly than when it's just sitting on the driveway. Take it easy until the transmission temperature comes up, then drive normally. Number 2. Never rev the engine before engaging drive or reverse. This comes from old habits. Some drivers rev the engine while still in park, then snap it into drive, even if it feels harmless. You're engaging in the transmission under load. The torque converter has to absorb that sudden rotational force, and the clutch packs take the hit. Always let the engine settle to idle before selecting drive or reverse. It takes 1 second. Done every day, it's the kind of habit that separates a transmission that lasts 150,000 miles from one that starts causing problems at 80,000. Number 3. Never use drive to hold the car on a hill. You're probably doing this. Here it is, number 3. You're sitting at a red light on a slope. Instead of using the brake, you're holding the car with a tiny bit of throttle and drive. It feels controlled. It feels like nothing. But what you're actually doing is called torque converter slippage. The transmission is partially engaged, generating heat and slowly wearing down the clutch material inside. BMW transmissions are particularly sensitive to this because of how precisely engineered the clutch packs are. Repeated heat cycles from hill holding and drive accelerate wear significantly over time. This is one of the leading causes of early transmission shudder in higher mileage BMWs, and almost nobody connects it back to this habit. Use your brake to hold on a hill. BMW's auto hold feature exists for exactly this reason. Press the button, let the system hold the car electronically, and take all the load off your transmission entirely. Number 4. Never switch from reverse to drive while still moving. 3-point turns, tight parking maneuvers, it's tempting to flick from R to D before the car has fully stopped. Even at very low speeds, you're asking the transmission to reverse direction while momentum is still carrying the car the other way. This puts a shock through the entire drivetrain. The transmission, drive shaft, and differential all absorb it. Do it consistently and you'll accelerate wear on the planetary gear sets inside the ZF unit. Always come to a complete stop before changing direction. Full stop. Every time. Number 5. Never ignore the transmission temperature warning. BMW's iDrive system will flag a transmission over-temperature warning after sustained hard driving, towing, or repeated aggressive acceleration. A lot of drivers dismiss it or don't know what it means. When transmission fluid overheats, it breaks down chemically. It loses viscosity and its ability to protect internal components. BMW transmission fluid degrades noticeably above 130 degrees Celsius. And if you're seeing a warning, you're well past that point. If you see that warning, back off the throttle, reduce speed, and if possible, pull over and let the car idle to bring the temperature down. Don't push through it. And if you think overheating is bad, the next mistake is something BMW themselves tells owners not to worry about. But most transmission specialists strongly disagree. And it's probably the single most expensive misunderstanding on this entire list. Number 6. Never use the wrong transmission fluid. BMW and ZF specify particular fluids for the 8-speed. ZF Lifeguard 8 is the most commonly specified fluid, and BMW has its own branded equivalent. These aren't marketing. The friction modifiers, viscosity grade, and additive package are engineered specifically for the clutch materials and valve body tolerances in the ZF unit. Using a generic ATF, even one labeled multi-vehicle compatible, can cause shuddering, harsh shifts, and accelerated clutch wear. Some cheaper fluids have been directly linked to premature valve body failure in BMW applications. A valve body replacement alone can run $1,500 to $2,500. Always verify the correct fluid specification for your exact model and year. And don't let a workshop substitute a cheaper alternative without your knowledge. 7. Never believe the lifetime fluid myth. BMW officially describes many of their automatic transmissions as lifetime fill. No scheduled fluid change required. This is one of the most damaging pieces of advice in modern automotive maintenance. Lifetime, in BMW's documentation, refers to the warranty period, not the actual life of your car. ZF specialists and independent transmission builders will tell you the same thing. By 60,000 miles, the fluid is already contaminated with clutch material and metal particles from normal internal wear. That contaminant acts as an abrasive, accelerating wear on every surface it touches. Ignore it long enough and you're looking at a $4,000 to $6,000 transmission rebuild for a problem that a $200 fluid service could have prevented. The recommendation among BMW transmission specialists is clear. Service the fluid every 60,000 miles or every 5 to 6 years, whichever comes first. It is the single best investment you can make in the long-term reliability of this car. 8. Never regularly launch hard in sport mode from cold. Sport and Sport Plus modes change shift points, throttle mapping, and transmission behavior. An occasional hard launch is within what the car is designed to handle. But doing it regularly, especially from cold at every set of lights, in daily stop-start traffic, builds up heat and wear on the torque converter clutch and multi-plate clutch packs. If performance driving is genuinely part of your routine, shorten your transmission service intervals to match. The ZF 8-speed can handle hard use, but the maintenance has to reflect the way you're actually driving the car. Number 9. Never tow at or near capacity without additional cooling. BMW's towing capacity ratings have a hard ceiling for a reason. Push beyond them, even occasionally, and you're generating heat the standard cooling system isn't built to handle. The ZF 8-speed has a transmission oil cooler integrated into the main cooling circuit, but it has limits under sustained load. If you regularly tow near the top of your BMW's rated capacity, especially in warm weather or on hilly routes, an auxiliary transmission cooler is worth fitting. It's a low-cost modification that significantly extends transmission life under these conditions. And always verify your specific model's tow rating before hooking anything up. It varies considerably across the BMW range. Number 10. Never ignore early warning signs. This is the most financially important point on the entire list. Transmission problems almost never go from zero to catastrophic without warning. They signal. Most owners just don't know what to listen for. The warnings to know: delayed engagement when you select drive or reverse, a shudder or vibration between 40 and 60 miles per hour. This often points to torque converter clutch wear, harsh or jerky gear changes that weren't there before, the engine revving without the car accelerating proportionately. That's slipping, and any transmission warning on the iDrive display. Catching these symptoms early is the difference between a $200 fluid service and a $5,000 rebuild. The ZF 8-speed gives you the warning. The only question is whether you act on it. Most BMW transmission failures aren't bad engineering. They're the result of small habits, repeated thousands of times, that slowly wear down a component that was built to last the life of the car. The things on this list are not complicated. Most of them cost nothing to fix. They just require knowing what to do and actually doing it. If this was useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach BMW owners who need to see this. And drop a comment. Are you guilty of number 3? Because based on the conversations I have with BMW owners, most people are. See you in the next one.